Hi everyone. This one came on the 19th, Tuesday, and this one just came today. I believe today is the 30th, Saturday. Of course, I had to send for another one. Well, I didn't send for another one. My daughter sent for it, and I believe this came on the 25th. I believe the 18th or the 25th. I know it was Monday. That's all I can remember. Monday. On one of those 2 days. But I think it was on the 25th because I had a doctor's appointment. So it has everything, you know, ready to pour. And I had to send for another one. I was disappointed. Disappointed again, like always. This most beautiful mold that I cannot just believe have a missing nostril. And all the way in the inside, of course. Let me try to pause this and see if I could do it. Okay. Now she's missing a nostril. Okay. She has one of them, which you could feel, but you cannot feel this one. So when I turned it around, when I went to put my finger inside, you could feel one of them, but you cannot feel the other one. So what's the use, you know? But she's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful turtle. And the inside, I can't do it with one hand, and I don't want to mess her up because I gotta send it back. Ugh. No, let me try to do it again. Forget it, it's too hard. I tried and I don't want to mess her up, but she's beautiful, but she's missing a nostril. And so why should I even bother, you know, drilling a little tiny hole on the nostril, you know, because once I take her out, she's just gonna have one nostril and not the other one, so I might have to like slant it and make a little hole. So I was disappointed in this most beautiful mold that came. I will write it in the description box who this person made this mold. And so I went and got another one, which I got to you know, open it up. So let me, okay, I'm opening it now, but I'm not going to be able to show you because it's kind of hard. So let me look at it to see if it has its nostril. I believe the person who makes the mold is Julie. Pouring your heart out. I wanted to go check, but I wanted to show you something, but I don't know if y'all can see it because let me tell you, it was too freaking hard for me to do. But right around here, you're gonna see like if it was, I don't know, I swear it looks like if it was damaged. Like these little, you could feel it with your fingers too. So if you make the turtle mold, is, you know, you're gonna feel it. But this one also don't have a nostril. It's missing one nostril. So you know what? I know I was gonna send one back. I'm gonna have to just send this one because this one looks more damaged, and this one just missing nostril, and a little bit looked like a little bit damaged right there on the side of the neck. So I'm gonna send this one back, the one that came today on the 30th, which today is Saturday, and I'm just gonna keep the other one that came on the 19th. I'm gonna just send this one back, the one that came today on the 30th of November the 30th, 2024. I guess that's it. And this, I can't wait to use it. I could open it up, but it's okay. There, I did it. It comes with all kinds of stuff, with your instructions, of course. Comes with all that, you know. And it comes with your silicone and everything. Look for your colors. Pretty cool. It comes with all those colors right there. And this, I think, is the silicone pouring oil. And this is your gloss pouring medium. And of course I can't see this one. Acrylic pouring, titanium something, I don't know. I'm not gonna take it out now. I'm still not gonna use it. So I just wanted to share that. So thank you everyone for watching this video. Thank you everyone. I hope everybody had a wonderful Thanksgiving. Bye.